welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 109. This was the 17th of December 2022, a Saturday. So I started the day with exercise. It's 45 minutes with a 5-minute jog. I had a coaching session with Jeffrey Combs. Then I did a little bit on the dialer, contacting people about the solar business, and then did other work for the solar business. And then I did books. There's a lot of big push right now with books. I'm trying to get as many books into the system as I can before Christmas, and then after Christmas I won't be buying any books until February. So I'm trying to do as much as I can right now with books up until the 25th. And then even then after that, I won't be buying any books after the 25th, but there'll be a lot of work to sort through and then do repricing. So it's going to be busy all the way through textbook season in January, and then I'll start buying again in February. But so we had the books, and then I had the Remote Wellness Academy practice session. Again, that takes a lot of time. There's prep work for before that, and then the actual sessions is like about 2 hours long. But glad I got through it. Got through my second set. So we do three sessions with one other student, and then we rotate to another student. So this was the second student partner that I had. So I finished that. It's in the books. Making progress, because it's easy to get like complacent and not actively look for a partner, and it's easy to let things go, and life events get in the way. So you really have to be focused to finish this certification. So I did that. Everything went fine, and looking forward to the next partner for the next three sets of calls that we have. So yeah, if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.